Here is the BUSH Spira B5 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now you have to find and pick Backup and Reset, and then go to Backup account. If your backup data is on, as you can see here it's active, it can be deactivated, and then you will have to click on the switcher to activate this feature. And then go to Backup account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And if you are, it's time to log in with your Gmail. In my case, it will be email address. You can also use your phone number, and it's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. And then click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And then click on Next. And as you can see here, you can come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you agree with everything, just click on I agree to apply the conditions. And that's it. As you can see now, backup to Google Drive is active. All you have to do to finish the whole process is to click on Accept to confirm your selection of this Google service. And that's it. As you can see, you just activated backup to Google in your BUSH. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.